Keeping babies' little teeth clean is essential for good health and a lifetime of healthy habits. Developing a proper oral care routine early helps prevent tooth decay and gum problems. Luckily, here are some simple and easy tips to clean your baby's teeth. Good oral care starts even before your baby's first tooth appears. Take a soft cloth, wet it under tap water, wring it out, and wrap it around your finger. Then, gently wipe your baby's gums with it after feeding. This removes bacteria and keeps their mouth fresh. Baby dry wipes are a simple and easy way to clean your baby's teeth. Tongue Clear Toddler and Baby Dry Wipes, made from soft, medical-grade material, gently clean the mouth by removing milk stains and helping prevent oral problems like thrush. Once the first tooth peeks out, it's time to introduce a toothbrush. Take a soft children's toothbrush. For babies under 18 months, use only water on the toothbrush, no toothpaste. Brush gently in small circles, covering all parts of the baby's teeth and gums. Brush in the morning and before bedtime to keep their mouth clean and healthy. Some babies may not be ready to use a toothbrush. In that case, take a small amount of fluoride-free toothpaste on your finger. Gently open your baby's mouth and rub the toothpaste on the top and bottom teeth. This simple method helps keep their teeth clean until they are comfortable with a toothbrush. You can use a finger brush to train your baby for brushing. The Jokibd Baby Finger Toothbrush, made of soft, BPA-free silicone, gently cleans your baby's teeth and massages their gums, helping with teething discomfort. It is easy to use, clean, and carry, making it perfect for home or travel. Make brushing a fun and positive experience. Sing a song, play a short brushing video, or let your baby hold the toothbrush while you guide their hand. Turning it into a playful routine will make them more interested and cooperative. As your baby approaches 2 years old, start teaching them to spit out toothpaste after brushing. Practicing this habit early will help them learn proper oral hygiene. Never put your baby to bed with a bottle of milk or juice. Sugars in these drinks can lead to tooth decay. Instead, give them water if needed. Schedule your baby's first dental visit by their first birthday. Regular checkups help catch any problem early and keep their smile bright and healthy. Keeping your baby's teeth clean is simple and fun. Start early, be gentle, and make it a happy routine. By following these simple and easy steps, you can effectively clean your baby's teeth and maintain their oral hygiene.